Looking for a high-protein, delicious, and filling meal? This high-protein spaghetti with chicken meatballs is the perfect solution. Packed with lean protein from the chicken meatballs and the goodness of whole grain pasta, it's a satisfying, healthy twist on a classic comfort dish. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or need a quick dinner, this recipe will become your new favorite. Let's dive in. This recipe makes about 4 servings. Ingredients for the chicken meatballs: 1 pound, 450 grams, ground chicken breast, ½ cup whole wheat breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 large egg, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 of a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, for greasing the baking tray. Ingredients for the spaghetti: 12 ounces, 340 grams, high-protein spaghetti, or your preferred pasta. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, ½ cup low-sodium marinara sauce, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, optional for garnish. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and lightly greasing a baking tray with olive oil. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken, breadcrumbs, Parmesan, egg, minced garlic, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Use your hands or a spoon to mix everything until it's well incorporated. Shape the mixture into small meatballs, about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter, and place them on the baking tray. Bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes, or until the meatballs are golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. While the meatballs are baking, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your high-protein spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions, typically 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Then, pour in the marinara sauce and bring it to a simmer. Add the cooked spaghetti and toss it in the sauce, ensuring everything is coated. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the meatballs are done, add them to the skillet with the spaghetti and sauce, allowing them to warm up together for 2 to 3 minutes. Plate the spaghetti and meatballs, then garnish with fresh basil for a burst of color and flavor. Pro tips for perfect high-protein spaghetti and chicken meatballs. To boost the protein even more, you can add some cooked chicken breast or lean ground turkey to the meatball mixture. Make sure to use high-protein pasta to really up the nutritional value of the dish. You can find pasta made from chickpeas, lentils, or edamame that's packed with protein. If you're looking for a lower carb option, you can use spiralized zucchini or another veggie noodle alternative. This high-protein spaghetti and chicken meatballs recipe is a game changer for healthy eating. It's not only delicious but also keeps you full for longer with all that lean protein. What's your favorite way to enjoy spaghetti? Let us know in the comments below.